want to get a yogurt drink because I'm really thirsty. I really want a yogurt drink. Where's Mateo? I really want to play Nerf guns with him. I want to go find him. I think I heard Tito downstairs somewhere. I think Tito's in the basement somewhere. I really want to go see if he's in the basement. Where's Mateo? No, he's not downstairs. He's screaming downstairs. Sorry, man. Oh, Tito, there you are. I was looking for you the whole time. Hey. Tito, we should play some Nerf guns. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at you. Oh, yes. That's what I look like. Oh, Tito, I got all my guns. Let's go play. I'm tired, Tito. Oh, Tito, you wanna go find Daddy? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Where are you? Daddy's not here, Tito. Daddy's in here? Daddy's not in here, Tito. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. This thing always breaks all the time.
It's not in the big one.
Oh, there it is. I'm tired of fixing this thing. It's not going to be too long before I fix this, but...
Oh, there he is. I think he was fixing something for Mommy. Tito, I see him. Can you see him? Oh, Tito, let's go get Daddy. Tito.
What? You guys trying to get me? I'm going to get you guys. Where did these kids run to? Where did they go? Mason! Mateo! Oh, maybe they're upstairs.
Oh, Tito, he didn't do that. We should go out and out so he doesn't find us, okay? What we should go, Tito? Tito, we should go outside. You'll never find us outside. Tito, we should look if we can see Daddy. Because if we don't see Daddy, we have to see him. Look first. No, I want to look first. Tito, I should look first because I'm the older one. I'm the older one, so I know. No, I'm the older one. I'm the older one, so I'm the older one.
What are they doing out there? I don't know why these guys are outside there. I sound like they're outside arguing about who's older from who's not older.
I'm older because you're 2 and I'm 6.
Outside is cold. They should... Guys.
I'm the older one. I'm the older
Andy,
one.
what are you guys doing in here? Why are you guys fighting?
I know. I am the older one and him fighting.
What are you guys fighting about?
I should look first. I'm the older one.
Guys, it's cold. It's cold out here. Come on, inside. All right, guys. No fighting. We're gonna play and have some fun. Where's my gun? I need a gun. I want a big gun. This one? Let's go! Got you. Got you. Got you. Oh. Oh. No, Mason, please.
Sorry, Daddy.
Please.
But I have to finish it.
Please.
I'm the master now. Nobody can kill me. Ha 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 ha.
All right, guys. It's been a long day. We've been playing all day. Daddy still has some laundry and stuff to do.
So you have to fix something for Mommy?
Yes, and I'm still fixing whatever for Mommy, and I have to fix that for Mommy. So you guys play, please. You guys gotta play nicely.
Okay, Daddy, we will be fighting. Okay. No, play nice.
All right. Thank you, guys. I like that you guys are gonna play nice because I don't want anybody to get hurt. Okay. So Daddy's gonna go finish doing what he has to do. But it was great playing with you guys. Okay. Woo.
I have this gun first. No, it's mine. That's it. Hiya! Tito, I'm so sorry. What have I done to you? Oh, Tito, I'm so sorry. Oh my God, what have I done? I think I broke your arm. Oh my God, I'm so worried about this. I could have broke your arm and you could have lost the arm. And you could have to go to the hospital.
What is that? What happened? It sounded like somebody fell. I told these guys to stop. What's going on? I can't fix this right now. Guys!
Your arm!
What happened, Mateo? What happened?
Oh my God.
Are you okay? Oh my God. What? Oh my God. Mateo. Oh my God. Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. His arm, Mason. Mason, I told you guys not to be playing so rough, and now look at his arm. Look what happened to his arm. What happened?
So we were fighting over a gun, and then after, I didn't want to worry about it, so I pushed him off the chair.
But this is why I told you guys not to play so rough, and now his arm is broken. I told you guys to not play so rough. Didn't I say that?
Now one of his bones are broken?
Exactly, and this is why. This is why I say, take your time, guys. Play nice with each other. Don't be horseplaying too roughly because something bad can happen. We have to be more responsible and we have to be more aware of what we're doing.
And we have to be more careful so nobody gets hurt?
Yes, we have to be more careful so nobody gets hurt. I know you guys were having fun and I know that it's an accident, but this is why we always say, play carefully, have fun, but be careful. Okay? Now he's gonna have to wear this for 6 to 8 weeks so that his arm can heal. And he's in a lot of pain. Are you okay, Tato? It could have been worse.
He could have lost the arm?
He could have lost an arm. He could have broke his leg. It could have been worse.
Or he could have hurt his neck.
Yes.
Or cracked his neck.
Yes. Please, guys, next time, I need you guys to be careful and I need you guys to play more safe. Okay? It's gonna be okay, alright, Tato? It's gonna be okay. Is your shoulder hurts? Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It was an accident. I know it was an accident, okay? Next time, please, be more careful and play more safe. I know you love your brother and I know you care about your brother and I know that you guys were just playing. It's gonna be okay. He's gonna be okay.
But he had to work 68 weeks for a long time. And if it doesn't heal, we have to go to the doctors.
Yes, but he's gonna be okay. Alright? Just tell him you're sorry and give him a big kiss.
I'm sorry, Tato. I'll never do it to you again.